Welcome back again to another wonderful section with me. I'm Aderibigbe Isaac Bamilerin from DBD Concepts, Dream Builder Concepts. So in today's training, where I will show you how to design 3D mockup. So 3D mockup, as you can see, this is 3D mockup. This is 3D mockup design. So you can start by doing this. You can start generating money like that. You can start making money legitimately by doing this with for your clients. So before we get into this training, if you are a returning viewer or this is the first video you are watching from me, I say big welcome to you. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share. So let's start the training. So the software we are going to use is Chrome browser. So this is my Chrome browser. You can use your phone to design it. It's not necessary for you to be using laptop. We are using a smartphone, so you can use your smartphone to design it. So the software we are using for today's training is Chrome browser. So this is my Chrome browser. Click on it. Okay, the website we are going to use is Photopea Mockup. So just type Photopea Mockup. So the first page, so can you see the first link like this? So just click on it like this. So let it load because we are using data to run this. So within 2 to 3 minutes your mockup design is ready. So you, as you can see, this mockup design, this templates, we have 1,000 of templates on this website. So let's go down and look for template, the one that you really like. So let me just check. Let's just check around. Okay, let me look the one we use here. Okay, go back. Let me just look for it. Where is it? Okay, let's see. I think this is the one. Okay, that's the one. So click on it like this. Let it load. Okay, so just, can you see photopea.com? Just click on it like this, or click on the picture. So click here. Don't forget, I said you can use your smartphone to design it. So it's loading like this. It's loading. You have to calm down. You have to wait. Let it load. Finish. Let it load. It's loading like this. Can you see it's loading? Okay, so the template is import successful. Can you see, guys? It's import successful. So what you have to do now is that go to this side like this. Can you see your logo here? No, before I quickly jump into that, so can you see this thing? Can you see if I check it like this? So this, you cannot be able to move this thing, move this design all around. So if I click on this like this, so we can increase, you can decrease. So can you see now? So you don't need to do anything on that again. Okay, let's get into it like this. In your logo here, double click on this side like this. So let me double click on it. So can you see now? Can you see, guys? So what you have to do now is that let me off this. So good 3 copy. So I've of the previous design. So what we have to do now, we want to import our 2D logo. We must have created a 2D logo before. So what you have to do now is that we want to import the 2D logo now. Go to file. Can you see the file? Can you see this file? So click on it. So open and place. Can you see open and place? Open and place. Click on it. It will end it to your file manager or your laptop manager like this. So this is the 2D design you have already created. So this is my 2D design. I click on it, open, let it load. So can you see now? Can you see, guys? It load successful. So you can increase, you can decrease the way you like it. So let me increase a little bit. Let me increase a little bit and move it to the middle. So can you see it's at the middle like this? Can you see the red line? Can you see that red line? Can you see? So it's in the middle now. So what you have to do now is that you don't need to disturb yourself. Go to that file again, file, save as. Can you see? You can, if you are using laptop, you can click on Ctrl plus S. Ctrl S. Can you see? So can you see? If you are using an Android phone, can just click here, save smart object. So let me just click on save smart object like this. Just one click. So it's loading now. So I think our design is ready. Let's check our design now. So can you see logo Mockup? Just click on here. Wow, 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 wow. Our design is ready. Our design is ready. Within 2 to 3 minutes, you don't get your money. You don't get your money. You can charge your client 2,000 naira, 3,000 naira, like that. It's so easy. It's very easy. It's very easy. So the next thing you have been waiting for is how you will save this design. How you will save it design. So you don't need to waste much time on this. Go to file like this, file, go down. So can you see export as? Export as. Can you see a lot of where you can save it as? So if you want to save it as PNG, if you want to save it as JPEG, so let me just save it as JPEG. I click on it like this, save as JPEG. So can you see can you see the quality? If you want to reduce the quality, but let it be at 100% quality. So that design would be looking very professional. So I click on save. It's saving our project now. So let's go to our file manager to look for the design. So our design is ready. So oh wow, this is our design. Our design is ready. Our design, can you see that our design now is looking good? It's looking professional. So by doing this, you can now send it to your client and collecting your money, your legitimately money. So before I go, let me quickly show you this. I charge my clients for designing this 5,000 naira within 2 to 3 minutes. So let me just show you the design. So this is the design. Can you see how it look professional? Can you see how it look? I charge my client 5,000 naira within 2 to 3 minutes. So this this is a premium video for you guys. So I'm just making this for you free. So please and please make sure you subscribe, like, comment and share. This is the end of our training for today. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and that that subscribing is very important to me. Please subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you once again. I'm Aderibigbe Isaac Pamilerin from DBT Concept. Good day. Bye bye. God bless you as you are watching. Good day. I love you guys. I love you. I love you. I love you.